it's like usually I get at least one pretty sizable gig, like a sizable contract every month. But sometimes there are certain months of the year where everybody is starting new projects. So I believe September is one of the months that people really begin a lot of projects. So Septembers can get pretty busy for me. And sometimes just randomly. I don't really know when people are going to start projects that I will fit into, but it can happen.
Actually, that's not that's not a really bad number. I mean, 1 gig a month. I mean, this is passively. You don't actually search for it, right? The people come to you.
Yeah, like in the past, I used to contact a lot of people, and I still do. Like, if there's companies I like to work in, like one of the bigger ones, then I'll be like, hey, here, I'll just email the supervisors or the art directors rather. Hey, here's my portfolio. Can you check it out if you like my work? If you have any work free, then sure, right? But it's a lot less than I used to do because yes, having a social media following is a big benefit. It's just because it's easier to get noticed, and when people notice you, then there's going to be some people that might want to have my services, right? So
For sure. Which kind of medium are the one you get contact most?
what do you mean by medium? Like
I mean,
industry?
you get like ArtStation or any other social media platform. They reach out to you to contact you.
I've had it from many, like Instagram, from Twitter, just a ton of gigs everywhere. But I would say ArtStation is definitely the most professional, and the most gigs I've done was from ArtStation.
That's pretty cool. How often do you upload artwork to ArtStation?
Um, I try my best to upload at least once a week, but recently I've been busy with work. Well, I mean, like this video, like I don't know when it's gonna be uploaded, but like as of June 2021, I've been quite busy with my own projects as well as other clients' projects, so I haven't been able to do that. But in general, I do want to keep a once per week type of schedule.
Actually, that's pretty good. I mean, I'm browsing now through your artwork, and it's like I want to check the date, and the pieces just say, "Oh, uploaded 1 month ago, uploaded 1 month ago, uploaded 1 month ago." Uh, that's very good, actually. And the fact that you don't you don't know how much followers you have is even better. I mean, um, this is where you at least I think you can have some momentum now going, where you just put it out there very frequently.